Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel once again. Today we're going to be making air fried honey buffalo chicken with our homemade sauce, and I hope everyone is having a good day. So let's just sit back and get into this video. So first you're going to spray your air fryer with some grease, and there I'm showing you some chicken that I seasoned overnight, and we're just going to place those evenly in our air fryer. And once you get that all in, we're going to be cooking it for about 30 minutes depending on your air fryer. You just gauge it as best as you can. And we're going to start at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And so once that's going, you just check it at the 10-minute marker or halfway through for your first 20 minutes. My air fryer only goes up to 20 minutes at a time, so therefore I checked mine at about 11 or 10 minutes, and then I checked it again at 5 minutes, and within that first 20 minutes I flipped it after 15 minutes. So there you see I am flipping it or turning it over, whichever word you like to use here. I hope everyone is having a good day and that you're all staying safe. And if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification that you do not miss any of our video. Leave a comment in the comment section to let us know where you're watching from and if you like our videos. And we welcome back our return viewers. We thank you so much for your support. And there you see I'm checking the chicken again, and now I am reducing the flame to 350 or the heat to 350, and then we're going to do it for about 7 minutes because we don't want the chicken to be dry, so we try to gauge it as best as possible to keep the moistness in, but you want it to be well done. So you see for 5 minutes there I did it at 350, and you can see that golden brown color. It smells so good in here, and you're going to hear how crispy the chicken turned out and how moist it looked within once we're done air frying it. And then after I did that for about another 2 to 3 minutes, I lowered my air fryer to about 250 for another 5 to 7 minutes just to keep that moisture in. And once we add our homemade sauce, you will love it dearly, and you will prepare it all the time for your family. So now we're going to get into the sauce. You see we have vinegar, we have our hot sauce, we have ground cumin, onion powder, we have grill seasoning, we have smoked paprika, we have chili powder, and we have some salt, and we also have some unsalted butter. So I have about a quarter teaspoon or a quarter stick of butter, and then I'm just using my spirit to add these flavors. So if you like yours spicy, then you won't add honey, but for me I like it this way, so it's just up to you how you'd like to make your buffalo sauce. And I know a lot of people use the red hot buffalo sauce, but for this one I chose to use the Valentino and another Mexican hot sauce. And there I put a little bit vinegar just to give it that nice flavor. And there's my other hot sauce, is a butter sauce. And then you're gonna just combine that together until it's smooth and creamy, and you know when it's thick enough, it covers a plastic spoon or coat that's plastic spoon, and then you know it's all done. And you want to taste it to make sure you get the right flavor that you're looking for. So in this case you'll just make the sauce as you so desire, but if you watch the video then you'll be able to see how I made mine. And there you see I've added the honey, and then we're just going to stir that until it's nice and creamy and cooked. And then you're gonna see me check my chicken for one last time, and you see that it's golden brown in color. You see I'm checking my sauce now, and the sauce has coated my plastic spoon, so I know it's all done. You see how it's glistening and shiny. And then I've placed my chicken in a metal bowl and just pour my sauce on. And look at that goodness, people. It's all in my chicken. And look how it glistens right there. And it tastes so good. And there is the finished product of our honey buffalo chicken legs that has been air fried. And I'm giving you another look right now, and then I'm gonna be showing you how moist the chicken turned out. Look at that well cooked chicken, and the sauce is just dripping from it. We thank you so much for watching. Remember to turn on that notification so you miss none of our videos, and subscribe, share with your family and friends. See you on the next video. Bye.